Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So I was watching through the long list of videos on my watch later list. I have literally over 100 videos on my watch later list. And I saw this video from Too Much Tash where she just did like a makeup vlog, and it was just like makeup chores, talking about little random things here and there. And I loved that idea, honestly. I have kind of a lot of like small little makeup like chores or things or little things that wouldn't really make a whole video on their own that I think I could like just put together from the next week or two and make like a cute little video. So I hope you guys like it. This is also a nice way for me to kind of like ease back in to filming since my life update video. I posted it over on the vlog channel. The year has had a very rough start and I had a very, very rough January. And I'm trying to get myself now out of a bit of a depressive slump because of what I've been dealing with the apartment that I currently live in and some really big work changes. But I explained everything in that video, so if you haven't missed or if you haven't watched it, I'd highly recommend checking it out. So I've already spent most of this morning cleaning. I've got a little bit of a headache starting just like right in the front here, so I might go ahead and put some Tiger Balm on my forehead because that helps if I'm feeling like a sinus kind of headache just right up here towards the front of my forehead, which is nice because it means it's not a migraine. Migraine starts behind my eyeball. Headache is just the front of the head. So I think I'm going to do that and then start putting away some stuff. So I want to organize my empties basket. I've got an idea that I think might actually help me organize my empties basket a little bit better. So I want to do that. I want to go through and clean some of my makeup brushes. I don't have enough to do like a full clean, but I want to use the Cinema Secrets brush cleaner on my eye brushes because my face brushes, I actually have like a ton. You can see it back here. These are all of my extra face brushes. So I can actually swap out brushes for like a couple weeks before I have to wash them. So we'll swap out some brushes. I'll wash some of the face brushes or some of the eye brushes. And then I got a big PR box from Shop Miss A. So I want to go ahead and I separated the makeup out from kind of the rest of the stuff. So I want to show you guys the makeup and put that away in my new makeup to try drawer. Or if they're like repurchases, just put it back in my collection. So I think that's a good place to start. And then we'll see where this vlog goes from here. So these are all of my makeup brushes that I use currently. Like I showed you before, that drawer has all my backup. So first, I want to kind of pull out all the ones that I know are dirty so I can put them in the kind of dirty makeup brush section so that when I have enough to wash, I can wash them all at once. So I'm going to grab this foundation brush, this angled cheek brush. These are still pretty clean. Let's do this one. I still have this other one that's pretty clean. I think that's it for face brushes. This is also a clean beauty blender. Okay, that can stay. This isn't a beauty blender. I just call them that like I call Kleenexes. This is actually the Shop Miss A AOA Studio $1 sponge. And then for eye brushes, I want to run these through the Cinema Secrets cleaner. So let me put these dirty brushes in their section. This is my little dirty brush container. Once this is full, then I wash my brushes. And there we have it. Nice, clean eye brushes. So let's pick out some face brushes. Alrighty, so I need a foundation brush. I'm gonna grab one of these. A blush brush. So I was using that angled brush for liquid blush. So let's see, what can I use for liquid blush? Here is, I've never tried this for blush. I use this normally for foundation, but I think this could work well for blush. And then I have a bunch of highlighter brushes. I actually just picked up some new brushes, also in PR from Shop Miss A. So I want to try them out. I don't have another angled brush. You know what, actually, so this is also from Shop Miss A. This comes in a duo with this brush that I really like, but I never liked this for like eyeshadow. But I've never tried it for concealer. So I feel like I can pull it in and try it for under eye and spot concealing. So I'll give that a shot. And then up here with my eye brushes, I don't really need anything right now. I've been testing out the Refer brushes. So I'm working on that, and then I want to do a full video review in a couple of weeks, so we'll see. And then everything up here is what I was going to sell, a little bit higher up. But to be frank, I just don't have the mental energy to sanitize all the makeup, list everything, and then take care of the sales when they come in. That's just going to have to wait. All right, here is my empties basket. I tried to like pre-organize because the biggest thing that takes time when doing an empties video is just separating out each type of product. So the hair care from the skin care from the body care. So I tried to like pre-organize it using these containers, but these aren't the right containers. It doesn't really make sense. They don't fit. It's not working. So I figured I could try using some of these just like shopping bags. I got some Target bags here. I've got this cute little corgi bag. So I'm thinking I could like fit these in. Yeah, like this. And then I can have each type of empty separated out so that when I go to film, it's not that crazy. So I'm going to start, pull everything out first, organize it by product type, and then we'll try the bags. Okay, I think I got this a lot better, so let me angle it so you could see. So this little corgi bag is skincare, which honestly, I should have made skincare a bigger bag because I do have a lot of skincare, but the body and the hair care bottles are bigger, so I think it'll even out. This is all hair care, this is all body care, and then the other small corgi bag has makeup, and I have the least amount of makeup empties overall just because it takes so much longer to use that makeup. So I feel like I will fold this and like put it in the other section just so I can open this and put it in, and then I still have room for the other stuff. So I'm a lot happier with this. I like it. All right, so this is all the PR makeup wise I got from Shop Missy recently, and I'm really grateful. Every now and then they will send me like a code that is like a certain amount of dollars, and they'll let me go to the website and pick out what I would like to try out. And I try to do a good mix of trying out their new stuff and then getting refills of products that I know I love and I'll go through. So this is the basket. Let me take everything out and I'll show you. Okay, so I think the only repurchase I did were the finishing pressed powders. I just got the shades Translucent and then 152 Porcelain. These are like my favorite like everyday go-to powders. They're great, and they're only $1 each. So the rest of the products I picked up should all be new. So first I picked up these blushes. These I've been dying. Like, so it's half blush, half highlighter, and I've been dying to try them out, especially this color. This looks so pretty. Obviously this is gonna be too dark for me to use as a highlighter, but I was dying to try out this blush. So this is the Hello Glow Duo in the shade Hola. I also got the shade Anyang. Oh, so they're all just like hello in languages. And then the shade Bonjour. That's a pretty color too. So most of these highlighters I believe are gonna be too dark for me. But I specifically wanted to try the blushes. I don't really wear lashes, but I saw these and they looked really pretty. They're just like a very, like, I don't want to say natural, but more natural looking kind of cat eye, and I'm definitely more of a cat eye kind of girl, so I thought I could try these out. So they came out with a new setting spray, I believe. I tried out their first. They had a setting spray and a priming spray, and I didn't like them. But those are no longer available on their website, so I think they reformulated it and they came out with just this one. So this is just their setting spray. I'm excited to try it out. Okay, so since the last time I placed an order or got PR from Shop Missy, they have come out with so many different foundations and 1 or 2 primers. So first, there's this Cosmic Cowgirl Skin Grip Primer. And I'm excited to try this out because they've got really good primers. I have to say, they last a long time, they work, they compare pretty well to like my higher end primers. So I'm excited to try this. And then as far as foundation goes, they have been, I will say, for Shop Missy, I really enjoy their liquid base products, but I've noticed they expire much faster than the rest of my products. So I'm going to test that out with these as well. I'm going to see, A, does it actually perform well? Does it work well? But B, how long does it actually last? Because they had a different like serum drop foundation. I don't know if they discontinued that and they came out with this one, or if that one's still available. But these are the satin drop foundations, and I got the shades L1 and L2. They look a little dark, but we'll see. We'll see how that turns out. This is what I was really excited about. So these are the Flawless Liquid Concealers. I love the packaging on this. That just looks like a higher end product. It looks like It Cosmetics, honestly. But I saw like people using these online, and it just looks like exactly what I'm looking for in an under eye concealer. So I also got the shades L1 and L2. Yes, L1 and L2. And it looks like L1 could probably work, but I gotta open these up and swatch them. Another concealer. This is the Locked Creamy Concealer. And I only got the shade LC1 in this one. This actually looks like it could work really well as an under eye concealer. So we got that one. And then these two. I haven't really seen anyone use these, but I have to say, the, what's the other one? This foundation, the Soft Matte Foundation from the A2O Lab. I've been using this for the last couple of weeks. I am in love with this. This looks so good on my skin. I am shocked at how good this looks. So that makes me excited to try their other foundation. So this one is the Pure Complex Liquid Foundation, and then the High Def Matte Vision Foundation. And I got shades L1. Yeah, L1 in both of these. All right, and then to finish out what I picked up, I decided to try like a bunch of different brow products. Just because I felt like I was in a rut with my brows. So I got the Envy Brow Styler in the shade Ebony. I also grabbed the Sculpting Brow Pencil in the shade Ebony, and I appreciate that they actually come out with black shades. Like, nothing bugs me more than when companies come out with brow products and they only have a really dark brown shade and it's super warm. I need like a cool dark shade. That's what I prefer for my brows anyway. And this is the Slim Brow, also in the shade Ebony. What is this? So this is the Cosmic Cowgirl, lip liner. So I wanted to pick up a nude lip liner. I really only have like 2 or 3 lip liners, and they're like black and red. And I've been seeing everyone, just do lip liner and then throw a gloss over it, and I kind of wanted to try it out. So I just got this lip liner. It's in the shade Open Range, and looking at like all the shades online, this looked like it'd be the closest to kind of like my natural lip color. Oh, I forgot a concealer. So this is also a concealer. This is the, where's the name on it? It's supposed to be, I think this reminds me of like those new concealers and color correctors that just came out from NYX. But this is in the shade Porcelain. I'll throw, because I don't have the name on the packaging for this one, or it's so small I can't read it. I will throw it up on screen right here. But I just tried to grab a shade that might work for me, but this looks really orange. So I don't know if that shade will actually work. Okay, I've been dying to try these glosses. They did sell out, because I think these are like their dupes for those Dior lip glosses. So I just got an orange shade. I love orange. I just think it looks so pretty. And then I got a clear. And then, last but not least, they came out with a new mascara. So this is the Flawless Jet Black Mascara. I have a whole short video about a lot of their mascaras. I reviewed all of them kind of all together. I'll throw that up in the cards if you're interested. But most of them were flops for me. So I'm hoping this one would work better. Because if I could have like a good go-to like dollar mascara, that'd be great. And that is everything I got from Shop Miss A and PR. So I'm going to put all of that away back. I'm going to split it up. Some of it will go where it belongs in the collection. Some of it will go in my new releases drawer. And then some I'm going to throw immediately into my everyday makeup basket. Okay, so as you can see, I now have more dirty sponges than clean sponges, so I'm going to go ahead and clean them. And I used to use this AOA Studio soap to clean my sponges, but it took a long time. It was really rough on my hands. So what I've been doing lately is honestly just throwing them in the washing machine with a special detergent, and they come out like perfect. So I have this little bag. This is from the Girlfriend Collective. I got it free with a recent order, and it's a washing machine bag. So I'm just going to throw all of these into the bag. And we'll get this put in the laundry. So for washing these, I will do it on hot water on the smallest load that I can on a normal cycle. And I do find that they wash a lot better if I throw them in with some towels. So I will throw in a few of just my makeup towels as well. This is the detergent that I will use. This is just a free and clear. There's like no scent to this detergent. I mainly use it for washing anything that's Rex's, like Rex's towels, his blankets and toys and stuff. That way it doesn't affect him too badly, because if you don't know, detergent that is scented is just way too strong. It can irritate dogs. It can irritate their nose and also irritate, you know, their paws and their fur. So I kept this around for Rex, but I find it also works really great for washing these sponges. Alright, so it's a couple of days later, everything's clean, everything's looking good, and I've edited the vlog up until this point, and I feel like this is a pretty good length for my first like little makeup vlog, so I hope you guys liked it. Let me know down below if you want to see more videos like this, and of course, if you want to see more kind of vlog-like content, check out my vlog channel. I've been trying to post a bit more often there, especially since like the shit show that happened in January. I feel like it's such a good like outlet for getting stuff out. Just making myself feel better, and then finding support. Like, everyone's been so lovely and supportive over on the vlog channel, and I am so very appreciative for it. So thank you guys as well for being patient while I like took some time for myself, and I'm slowly getting back into this regularly scheduled programming. I might need another Diet Coke or something. Thank you guys for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.